to fix Telegram error too many attempts, please try again later on your iOS or Android. So if you want to fix your Telegram error too many attempts, please try again later on your iOS or your Android, then what you need to do is first you just need simply search for Telegram. Once you search for Telegram, you need to tap and hold on to your Telegram application and then go with the app info. After tapping on your app info, you can go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store or your App Store, you need to just simply go with Telegram, search for Telegram, and if you have any updates on your Telegram, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back and then uninstall your Telegram application. After uninstalling, again go and reinstall it and then try to log in, and your problem will be fixed. Or you can also go with your Telegram support. You'll get redirected onto their website, and there you should be able to go ahead and describe your problem and make sure to enter your email and your phone number as well, and then submit. After submitting, the problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.